It is the first class for class 10C after summer vacation. So, I will discuss here image formation by concave lens. So, there are two cases in image formation by concave lens. Case 1, when object at infinite. So, you know what is the concave lens? Concave lens is in this way. First, we will draw the principal axis. It will pass through the optical center. So, when the object is at infinite, then rays will come parallel, and this lens is also known as divergent lens. So, rays will diverge, actually they will diverge. So, they will not meet. If we increase behind, then at one point they will meet, and that point is called focus. So, image will form at the focus if the object is at infinite, and it is very small, diminished, and it is virtual. You know, virtual image is that when refracted ray not meet really, they appear to meet only. Now, case 2, when object at any point on principal axis. So, first we will draw a concave lens. Make the principal axis. Now, the object at any place, one ray will incident parallel to principal axis. After refraction, it will diverge and appear to pass through the focus, because which rays are parallel to principal axis after refraction pass through the focus or appear to pass through the focus, and another ray will pass through the optical center. When the ray pass through the optical center, it will not deviate. Where these two rays will intersect, then image will form. If the name of object is AB, and we will give the name of the image is AB, A dash, B dash. Image is virtual, diminished, and erect. When the image is erect, then it is always virtual, and when the image is same side as of object, it will be virtual, and by the concave lens, image is always formed diminished. Now, uses of convex lens. Convex lens is used to see tiny object. It is used as a simple microscope. It is also used in compound microscope, and the concave lens is used in laboratory and can also be used in microscopes. Now, sign convention. For lens, any lens we can take. All the distances are measured from optical center. 1. Second, the distance measured opposite to incident ray. Suppose this is the incident ray and we are measuring the distance, that its name is O and it is P, then it is opposite to, OP is opposite to incident ray. So, OP distance will take in negative, and when the distance is measured in direction of incident ray, then it will be positive. So, distance OM will take in as positive. The height of the image, if it is erect, then it will take in as positive, and if it is inverted, then height will take in as negative. So, these sign convention are used same as convex lens as well as for concave lens. Now, lens formula. Or lens equation, it is if f is the focal length, u is distance of object, v is distance of image, then 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. When we will use this formula, we should take distances according to sign convention. Another topic, that is magnification of lens. Magnification, it is the ratio of the size of image to size of the object. It is the size of object O and it is the size of image. So, magnification denoted by M is equal to I upon O, and it is magnification is given by V upon U. Now, I will discuss here one question. The concave lens, it is example 10.3 in your book. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. Concave lens, we will make the rough diagram, that is the concave lens, and focal length is 15 centimeter. Focal length of the concave lens is taken as negative. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed? So, we have to find u, the distance of the object, so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens, and V is given. V is, because image is opposite to incident ray in a case of concave lens. So, V will be minus 10 centimeter. So, we will use here lens equation 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, and put the values 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon U is equal to 115. So, 1 upon U by using the equation minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15, LCM is 30, it is minus 3 plus 2, you will get minus 1 upon 30. So, U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So, object should place at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens. Now, we want to find the magnification. As you know, V m is equal to V upon U. So, here V is minus 10 and U is minus 30. So, it will be 1 upon 3. So, it is 0.33. Its mean image is smaller than the object. Thank you.